Hello, welcome to welcome to today's style session unannounced. I'm here. So, if you are brand new to the page, I would love for you to just drop the word new down below. Let me give you a personal hello. And if you're not new, I'm so happy that you have come back because I have been a little MIA over the last few weeks. I've popped in here and there, but um, just a lot of things going on in the back end of my business here on social media. And it's just been a little difficult and a little mind boggling that just kind of put me in a rut. So I don't know about you, but do you have those moments when you're in a rut and you really don't want to show up and you are second guessing yourself? You're wondering, why am I doing what I'm doing? I feel like I'm being defeated all the time. And so I want you to know that this happens to every single person, no matter what it is that you do for a living, no matter how many years you've been in business or working for another company, it happens. And it really messes with your mindset and it doesn't want you to show up. And then you've got like, you know how you have like the angel on this side and the little devil on this side, but you tend to listen sometimes more to the little devil. That's what had been going on. So I am here and I want to share with you 5 simple camera ready tips that helped me get here right now for all of you. Okay. And this is great because even if you aren't your own business owner, so even if you're not an entrepreneur, but maybe you're in direct sales or network marketing or something like that, or maybe you are still working from home and you need to be on camera, but you maybe push off that meeting because you don't want to show up, right? So these quick little 5 tips, I promise you, will make a difference. And they're very, very simple. And they literally took me 15 minutes. By the time I was done with it all, it was 15 minutes and I was ready to go. Now, I'm not including the time that I took to take a shower because I did take a shower this morning. Okay, so 5 simple camera ready tips. Here you go. Number 1 is put on a little bit of makeup. And I actually don't have a lot of makeup on right now. It may seem like I do because I used some bronzer to give me kind of like that contour look. I did put quick, like I just went like this with my eyeshadow, like a quick brush, okay? Mascara, and I put on some color. So this is actually just Maybelline. Nothing special from the drugstore. I put on this matte ink color that stays on pretty much all day. And then a little bit of blush, right? Okay. So that took maybe 5 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. Okay. Then I put my hair up in a messy bun. It's messy. I literally put it up in a ponytail and then just wrapped it around. That's it. I grabbed a pair of statement earrings. I put on a solid color top, which really just makes getting dressed so much faster. I have a pair of jeans on. Now, I actually did a reel a little bit ago to share this, and I didn't have pants on at the time. But when you put on your pants, it definitely elevates your mood, your energy, and it just brings a whole new energy to you. Okay? And yeah, that's it. That's all it took. And then I turned my camera on and like I did right now. And now I'm speaking to you all. So that's how simple it can be. The reason why I found that this would be so important today is because like I mentioned a little bit earlier, I have been in a funk, okay? And if you haven't been following me around for a while, or don't even know who I am, by the way, my name is Ginna Tassinelli, and I'm also known as the Style Rebel Mama, as an image consultant and personal stylist to female entrepreneurs, experts, high-level professionals, busy women on the go, but I'm also a social media marketing strategist, expert, and personal brand coach. So for me, having to show up on social media is something I need to do. That way I don't chase my clients, they find me. But I have those moments too where I don't want to be found. And what happens with that is I stay in my own little space, and it doesn't help encourage my mindset or help my mindset at all. And then I'm not showing up for anybody else either. And I'm not bringing value to the table, and I'm not showing what's possible. So I hope these little 5 simple camera ready tips helped you. And I see somebody is watching right now. Let's see who that is. Because again, I'm using a new tool. So let me see how I can find. Say hello just for a second. I want to see if I can find the chat and see you. All right, let's see. Okay, so does that show up on camera? I just put something up on camera and okay, that doesn't show. Oh, you went away. Okay, you're being shy today. All right, anyways, bye.